Stop it balling, man. Let it balling to me.
People live in a fucked up world.
Hush, man, don't cry.
Oh, alive.
Lord. Hush, my bestie, hush.
We're in a fucked up world.
The USAID gave $1.5 million to promote LGBT advocacy in Jamaica.
God, come here, son. Jesus! Jesus! Never want me lose my daughter like that. Lose my daughter, very terrible, very terrible. I'm lose my 14-year-old daughter.
Do you eat doubles? What? Do you eat doubles? I love doubles.
Hi guys, welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we'll talk about Rosalee's nudes getting exposed by the police department. The mother of the 14-year-old who got unalived by a man of unsound mind speaks out. Vybz Kartel trolls Beenie Man on Drink Champs. Joe Biden administration fund Jamaican government $1.5 to promote the LGBT in Jamaica. So if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment and share. The other day, Beenie Man went on Drink Champs and they asked him if he liked doubles. He told them that he tried it twice, he didn't like it, so he threw it to the dogs. The dogs tasted it, didn't like it, and because the dog didn't eat it, he decided he doesn't like it. When he said that, the Trinidadian fans took offense to it and basically then dragged him left, right and center online. Now, Vybz Kartel has an upcoming interview, but he previewed a clip on his Instagram and they asked him the same question about doubles. This is what he said. Check this out.
Do you eat doubles? What? Do you eat doubles? I love doubles.
Doubles is like fucking. No, seriously. Doubles in Trinidad is like jerk chicken in Jamaica. That's why when he said jerk chicken or curry chicken, I had to take the shot. Right? Drink Champs.
Yeah. But you fuck with doubles. What's your favorite version of doubles?
My favorite version of doubles is the one that dude don't like.
Speaking of Beenie Man, I saw this video on King Sub's Instagram page where the man are going to Burger King and I take one fake Burger King hat. I say, I feel Beenie Man own. Check this out.
One question. I have a friend. His name is Beenie Man. He lost his crown by Vybz Kartel, a guy called Vybz Kartel. He need a crown, so I don't know if I could get one of these crowns. Yeah, for Beenie Man. Can you say enjoy your crown for Beenie Man for me? So Beenie Man, enjoy your crown. No, can you say it for me? Beenie Man, enjoy your crown.
Oh, Beenie Man, enjoy your crown.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Now I saw this video and I said, we need to be talking more about this. I saw it and I haven't seen it on much bloggers, but can you imagine people out here are homeless? People out here can't even find food for them penny for go to school. People out here, if you borrow and put themselves in a partner, and every 2 weeks, as the money come done, and they have money a push an agenda. They already have in a cartoon, right? They already have in a series. And you mean if you tell me say you get $1.5 and take it and give the rainbow community and people don't here suffer? Well, check out the video.
So this one is extremely important, especially for the Jamaican people. I'm gonna show you guys a little clippings of a video. I know a lot of you maybe disagree with Donald Trump, including myself. I do not agree with everything that he do and said, but trust me, if it wasn't for Donald Trump, I wouldn't confirm that these things are going on in Jamaica. Watch this.
The USAID gave $1.5 million to promote LGBT advocacy in Jamaica. They gave $1.5 million to rebuild the Cuban media ecosystem.
No, this is one of the promises from Mr. Donald Trump to the American people to carry out a full investigation on the American spending. Mr. Elon Musk was the one who authorized and given the task to carry out such action, and this is what he has discovered. We know say them things are going on Jamaica. We see it with our own eyes. But there's a video here now to prove that yes, the American actually spending 1.5 million US in Jamaica to promote such things. And the big question is, who are these money going to? Who is the one that authorized to collect these money to promote these things in Jamaica? No, people will never see fire without smoke. First time, a man can speak out against these things and we have the whole country support them. Now, we have to afraid. We're scared to open our mouth and talk because you have the whole country come down on you about it. You see me, I say, yo, the whole country, and why is it that me not hear this and no vloggers mouth? Why this me not hear this on the media? As a Jamaican, why me not hear so say Jamaican they love to talk so much? Why is it that me not hear nothing from them? Is it you guys are a part of it? No, me believe in our culture and heritage. And these are the things I rather fall for. Because I will never accept these things. Never.
Me not fight against nobody and they what they choose, but me just say enough people down here hungry. Enough people hungry, homeless. All the people, a lot of people them with the part could have do well with this money. You understand me? Jamaica no need to do better, man. It don't look good. On to the next topic. I'm sure you guys must have seen this video. I haven't seen the raw version and I don't think I want to. Police invades and records Rosalee in private. Now, there are many different stories allegedly, running across social media. They said at first, she jumped out of her sleep and she frightened and what happened? It gone and, them threw clothes here and she refused to put it on. Then they say Jakes did a run up and down, run from the police because him and some sort of friend a fire shot in our community. I don't know. But they entered her house without a search warrant. She was naked. Enough people sleep naked. I mean, that's a normal thing in your house if you are naked and naked. Then video it and then released it. Check this out.
Where's the name, teacher?
Jake's name. Andrew Beckford.
Andrew Beckford?
Yeah, Andrew Beckford.
OC Jakes?
Yeah.
Alright,
so since then, Rose went live multiple times. This time she went live with Nicki Minaj and a few of her followers like Miss Triple, and they were saying that they're gonna get some lawyer money together, and sue the people who are responsible. And she broke down in tears on the live crying. So check this out.
That's what it is.
My bestie, why you take away my content? When you ball every day, what me go do? Remember see my content, you can't take away my style, Rose. Stop it crying where you left me for do, what me you come with now? Stop it balling, man. Let it balling to me.
People live in a fucked up world.
Hush, man, cry.
Oh, life.
Lord. Hush, my bestie, hush.
We're in a fucked up world.
Well, the greatest thing is a lot of people stand with you, even though we have some people against the majority is with you. The majority is with you, Rose. Don't worry yourself. Even Andrew Holness post about it. And it's not really easy to get him to come out from a situation.
We live in a fucked up world and so like our life.
Rose, the 5% of people who say karma them are the least. The rest of 95% of we stand up righteous with you.
We live in a fucked up world.
I say it go.
And then I don't understand how it traumatizes Rose, because every morning now you wake up here and the police are running by you. Don't look on people, I tell you that. You listen to what people are saying. Enough people out there wait for you to continue the fight, because I tell you, say, enough ghetto people go through this. Enough women them running pan and go kill them man all pan bed. We could have heard something worse. No worry about the minority, no worry about the individual. I tell you, say, the government here go for and the police force. Now make them people say, oh Christ, stay strong, mama, and fight the fight.
I said, go on, I said, don't turn on.
I don't care if he took down the video. I don't care if he took down the video. He gotta pay for it now. She want $1 million fucking dollars US. And if you don't fucking got it, you gonna figure it the fuck out. Fuck wrong with you? What area you live in? What area you live in Jamaica?
Live at Seaview Garden.
Seaview?
Yeah, Seaview Garden. I think at Kingston 11. Kingston 11.
He posted child. Londale is a teenager, is a child. He posted that. He then posted your mom, like all it, like this is enough. Enough is enough.
People in the comments were saying she deserved it. I'm just saying, whether they didn't tell her to put on her clothes or not, I mean, yeah, me there. And even if you record me, in my heart or me feel, you can invade my privacy. And if you post it, whether me rude, me not no manners, I mean, yeah, me there. Even if they tell her to put on clothes and she don't want to put on her clothes, what gives you the right to post it, right? We'll overlook the part there. But anyways, next topic. The lady that lost her 14-year-old, there's a lot of controversy around the story. Some people are saying that the right person that unalived her was a gunman, where she did deal with, and she run away from country come live where her mother did. And the man find her and want inner things with her, and she said no, and now him come unalive her and then post somebody picture who is supposed to be innocent, and I put this a person as a scapegoat for him take the downfall, and then claim to the mother no and don't want to talk. But this is what she had to say about it. Check this out.
I lift my auntie, oh God. God, are you my lift for me? I'm a baby them, oh God. God, are you my lift for me, God? And we could go again and dead this. No, man. No. No, Christ. Christ. We can't believe. God. Father God. If you don't be sick, come here, son. No. God, come here, son. Jesus. Never want me lose my daughter like that. Lose my daughter, very terrible, very terrible. I'm lose my 14-year-old daughter. But guess what? It's God. God knows everything, and God now carry so far and leave me. No time at all. So I'm every just give God thanks. My earth, yes, I'm feel it, but I just saw. Just want everybody can just come for me and just talk to me. That everybody can do that for me, for my little girl.
Understand. So, you know anything about the person who did it to her? You know anything about him?
No, we don't know nothing about him. Nothing. I never see him yet, or nothing. I don't know him. I just surprised asleep, because if him do something at the door price, only let him in. Because if me asleep, you come to come call the price, oh, mommy not there here. And them see me and say, surprise, oh, you tell the man, say me not there. When I sleep, man, you sleep, man, because you're old, man, if you sleep, man. I say, but price going to make him come I want to see, but make him go on, man. She's that person. So if she never was asleep, you can just drop the door. Because now I'm not lock my door. Don't lock my door normally. And then my daughter call me and tell me now. By the time we reach the scheme now, everybody has said she dead. So no, she not dead, man. God nah make me lose her. God nah make me lose her. I'm just saying I'm going to go down on the public now. But the way I see all these social people, them attack, so woman attack to me. So I'm going to say twice, miss, don't go when I know she dead. Just say why I say yes, because the way my body feel, no say my daughter dead. But yes, so I never want to lose my daughter like that. Lose my daughter, very terrible, very terrible. I'm lose my 14-year-old daughter. But guess what? It's God. God knows everything, and God now carry so far and leave me. No time at all. So I'm every just give God thanks. My earth, yes, I'm feel it, but I just saw.
My condolences to her and her family. Very sad situation. That's it for now, guys. Make sure you like the video, comment, your thoughts on each topic. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Turn on your post notification bell. Leave a like on the video once more. Leave a comment and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.